And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the from method. This can be used to create an array. For example, from this string, we'll define it, let str equals, and then some gibberish here, just a couple of letters. We print it out to see if it's set up correctly. Here you can see it. So this is the str. We wanted to turn that into an array. We can define a new one, let test equals, and then we use the keyword array with a capital A, then the method dot from. And inside we'll use our str, and I have to print out the test now. And if I do, you can see it is an array where each letter now is an element of the array. So in this code line, we would have a simple string of ASDSADSDA. And here in this line, we've now used all of these letters, put them in an array, and this gives each letter an index. So A, the first A would be at index 0, S at index 1, D at index 2, and so forth. And this is how you can use the from method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.